In this video, we're going to look at how we can use Python scripts to automate penetration testing activities. For my environment, I'm going to be setting up my penetration testing tasks on a Kali Linux virtual machine, and I also have a Windows virtual machine running as my target. Python is a scripting language, and it's particularly useful when it comes to things like automation. This makes it a good choice when performing automation for penetration testing. Because of its versatility and vast support with a large amount of libraries, it's a very useful tool to have in your environment. The added features of an interactive console also make it easy for rapid prototyping to very quickly get your idea and proof of concept up off the ground. So to get started, I'm going to open up a terminal on my Kali Linux machine and install a Python library that we're going to need. The library is python 3-nmap, and to install it, I'm going to use the command sudo apt install python 3-nmap. So now, with that library installed, let's start taking a look at how we can use Python to perform penetration testing attacks. I'm going to start an interactive session with the command python, and now we can start writing our script. The first thing I'm going to do is import nmap, and then initialize the port scanner as nm equals nmap.portscanner. Now we need to define a target IP address that we want to scan. In this case, I have the Windows machine running on 192.168.56.103, and that's going to be our target. And then we can launch our scan with the command nm.scan and pass it our target. Now that our scan has completed, we can examine what is in our object with nm.all_hosts, and we can see the hosts that we scanned, and we can loop through this with 4 hosts in nm.allhosts. We'll print the state of the host, and then we'll loop through the protocols of that host with 4 proto in nm@host.allprotocols. We'll print the proto. Then we'll get the local port with lport equals nm@host@proto.keys, and we'll loop through each port with 4 port in lport. We'll print the port. And going through the output, we can see the state of our host is up. We have a TCP protocol with the port 135, 139, 445, 3389, and 5985 all open. So now we've written a Python script that can perform nmap scans automatically for us. Now let's try automating another penetration testing task. In this one, let's attempt a brute force. We'll import the library requests, and I have a local web server running on the Kali machine at port 5000, so we'll define that as our target URL. Then we need to set up an array of username password objects that we want to pass to this URL. And we've set that up as credentials with 2 username password combinations, one admin password 123 and the other admin and admin. And now we'll try our brute force attempt by looping through these credentials. So for cred in credentials, we'll make a response object and post a request to our URL, and we'll print response.txt. And we can see the results from both of our credentials. The first one says welcome admin. This indicates to us that our login was successful. And the second one says login failed. So we can see that the first set of credentials was correct and the second set of credentials was wrong. So this is how we can set up an automated task like a brute force attack as part of our penetration test. Once we have these scripts built up, we can start to integrate these automated scripts into our workflow and make them more robust to run on something like an interval and as part of a unified workflow. So this is how we can use Python to help automate our penetration testing tasks. As you explore more in Python, you'll also find that there are a huge number of tools that we can expand into when performing these penetration testing automation tasks. We can use Paramiko, which helps us with SSH-based attacks. We can use Scapy for network scanning and packet crafting. We can use Socket for network-related activities, and many more. All of this means that you can get very in-depth and build up very robust penetration tests using Python as the basis for your entire testing suite.